Hi, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will telling about Love Lost and Found. The summer I turned pretty season 2 premiere recap. Bellie's grades are in the latrine. Her volleyball captaincy got repudiated and she's hesitant to raise a ruckus around town graduate party the end of the week. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. The remainder of the family's likewise babbling. Before her passing, Susanna set up for Stephen, Sean Kaufman, to get a graduation care bundle and a written-by-hand note, and Tree, Jackie Chung, can scarcely check it out. Stephen, in the meantime, faults his sister for making things so abnormal with the Fisher siblings that they didn't come to the function. In a flashback, Gut proposes that she and Conrad stop things so he and Jer can zero in on their mom's disease fight. He hesitantly concurs yet demands that she keep the jewelry he got her on the grounds that regardless, they'll in any case be endless. Their cool-it plan doesn't keep going long, as their most memorable speculative calls transform into long-distance race 2am discussions while Conrad's at Brown. In any case, in the present, Stomach isn't wearing the jewelry as Princeton-bound Stephen gives his valedictorian discourse, which incorporates this executioner line. There are times where it seems like the world is occurring to you. However, recall that you are additionally happening to the world. At the graduation celebration, Stephen watches with consternation as Taylor, her eyes overwhelmed in a style that I, an old, consider happiness light, spouts about her new man Milo, an automatic weapon Kelly Waneb, who attempts to pass off Aerosmith's Don't Want to Miss a Thing as a tune he composed for his better half. Things deteriorate when water firearm Milo tears his shirt down the front to play out a languid rendition of the Cause All My Own Problems, and Stephen, with an eye on Taylor, falls flat to swarm surf shirtless, pushing Ponch over. He reminds his colleagues to savor every moment, dropping the F-bomb for accentuation. Simply envision how your secondary school overseers would have responded, assuming your valedictorian did that. His words persuade midsection to go to volleyball camp and hint that graduate party all things considered, which delights Taylor, Downpour Spencer. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and give feedback.